But it really does not matter when it goes wrong. What really matters is, are you prepared for that which will eventually go wrong? Because many of them will go wrong anyway. And so your ability to stay put, to express courage and strength is out of leadership. And you cannot be a strong leader if you have not identified yourself. You don't know yourself. You don't know your strength. You don't know your weakness. You don't know what you stand for. You don't have any sense of purpose, any sense of uniqueness. You don't even know your difference from the other person. You don't know what you have, your package. Then you cannot be a strong leader. A leader is very much comfortable in his or her difference, and he can stand for, this is what I know, and this is what I stand for. This is my nature. Maybe I'm erratic. I get angry that quickly. Maybe I'm very mad. I'm sober. Maybe I'm not that much organized. I'm dead. You have to know who you are and where you have to work on, and that's leadership. And that's leadership. And people can be inspired. When people come close to you, they can be inspired to become better, to become great. You can inspire people to work with you, not so much because of the salary that you are getting, but because of what they have become in terms of how they see life, how they process information, how they're able to organize their life, and how better that they have become. So my name is Obindako. I want to say thank you very much for taking your time to watch.